Hey friends, it's JJ here to share something really important with you today. Did you know that carbon monoxide, or CO, is a dangerous gas you can't see or smell? That's what makes it so deadly. You won't know it's there until it's already affecting you. Where does carbon monoxide come from, you ask? That's a great question. Carbon monoxide is created when fuels don't burn completely. That means anything that burns gas, propane, oil, wood, coal, or gasoline can make CO. Common sources include cars and trucks, or furnaces or space heaters or wood stoves, or even charcoal grills. If this equipment isn't properly maintained or ventilated, carbon monoxide can quickly build up indoors. Carbon monoxide poisoning can feel like being sick or tired at first and can also include headaches, dizziness, nausea, chest pain, and confusion. High levels can also cause you to pass out. Everyone, including people and pets, can be affected. Here's how you can stay safe from carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide incidents happen more often in winter when heaters are running and homes are closed up. Be sure to never use generators indoors or in garages. Never run a vehicle in a closed garage. Never burn charcoal indoors. And never use an oven or a stove to heat your home. And last but not least, install a carbon monoxide detector and check the batteries often. Because remember, if you can't see it and you can't smell it, a CO detector may be your only warning. This one small device can save your life, because staying safe is super smart.